That is a pretty sound right there, good rain. Good to see. Old cows is out there taking advantage of it. They out of picking, getting them a good bath. There's Mr. Tommy the bull way out yonder. Nice and cool. Love it. Look at the mountain down yonder. Thank God for the rain. That'll cool it off now. Keep everything green to growing. We're glad to see it. Here comes the cows out of the holler now, out of the mountain. They enjoying it. Get out while it's cool and do a little bit of picking. Put on some weight, put a few pounds on the ground. Best time of year. Been canning a few old beans this morning. Old Major's doing pretty good tied up to the porch. Got little Majors on, they're still blooming. Yep. Oh, we love it. Nothing like a good rain in the summertime.